Hello YouTube, this is Bassman channel. Today we're going to make the unboxing of a great console, a gaming console, a product from Microsoft. This is the greatest version of the Xbox. It's the X version. Previously owned the Series S with 512GB SSD for space for games and software generally, and this is the greatest version. This is the X. It can make 4K gaming, as you can see. It also has larger disk for save games, which is very helpful. Recently this is the version with the Blu-ray player embedded. Recently a white version of the same console was published without the Blu-ray slot, which was of course cheaper, but it also was in white color. It's not available. This one was at a good price, so we made the upgrade from S. Let's open it together and see what's included. Some extra characteristics here: HDR, 4K 120 gaming FPS. Of course you need a TV which can support this. 1TB SSD, VRR technology. Again you need a special device. 4K Blu-ray player, Xbox Velocity architecture, sound, Wi-Fi, HDMI, Dolby Vision, Atmos, DTS:X, all the most recent sound protocols, and Wi-Fi and Ethernet connection. Nice device, a very good HDMI cable, ultra high speed. Of course it's appropriate to support its output, 4K and even 8K. The appropriate power cable, a black version of the controller, this is wireless, it's Bluetooth. It can be used also via cable. It needs batteries. You can also connect it with Type-C and a cable. Manual. Okay, let's close this. And now this is the Xbox. I'll take it out. Well, here we can see the back side of the device. Two USB outputs, inputs, Ethernet input, power cable, storage expansion, and HDMI out. Ventilation holes. Again, ventilation holes on the other side. a slot for the DVD, Blu-ray and general discs, another USB input, connection button, turn on button. In the S version it was lighting white, I think it will be the same. You can place it with many ways. Mostly this is the base. It's plastic, but here it's soft and you can place it like that, or horizontally by putting this plastic protective so you can have it like that, which is very beautiful. It says Xbox on the upper side. Here you can use the DVD. So I hope you like it. I think it's a gaming console which has great evaluations from everyone. I like Game Pass. I will test it and will come back soon. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it.